Hello students, welcome to BTech 360. The JOSA counseling is just over and now what we're moving on to is the CSAP counseling, which is Central Seat Allocation Board. Here about 15,000 seats this time around have moved to the CSAP counseling, which means these seats are not filled in NITs, IIITs and GFTIs. You'll also have about 3,500 4,000 seats that are not filled in IITs, which will go through JOSA counseling. But it's extremely important for every single student to also go through the CSAP counseling, because you will actually be likely to get some of the branches in a college of your choice through the CSAP counseling, because there are 15,000 kind of number of seats that have moved to the CSAP counseling. Whenever the CSAP counseling starts, there are a couple of things that you must remember. The category rank gets subsumed. All you're going to deal with now from now on is the All India Common Rank List. So every rank that we're going to talk at some point in time would only be the closing cutoff at a category level, but for the All India rank list, because there is no category rank that moves to the CSAP counseling. And NITs, IIITs, GFTs, every single seat that is out there would move to the CSAP counseling only, and everything will happen from there. And what we'll talk now, we already discussed NITs in terms of the CSE branches and EC, EEE, and also core engineering. What we're going to talk now is IIITs. We've already done something on CSE. How many seats are there in CSE? About 2,000 plus seats are there in CSE alone, CSE and allied branches. Now we will discuss in IIIT the core engineering branches and what are the colleges that have, how many seats they have, and everything is what we'll discuss. A lot of students also reached out to us asking for help in terms of exploring the other options beyond through JOSA counseling, CSAP counseling, which can be some private universities out there. So we opened a helpline out here. This is the helpline number: 8130376334, 8130376334. Send us a message, apply, if you are looking for private universities, and a counselor who understands private universities will call you up. And send us a message, foreign, if you want to get into any of the foreign universities which are setting up campus in India and Delhi, Bombay, Bangalore and all. Remember, these are all UGC approved, and that's why we are covering this at this point in time. And one of our counselors will call up. And do subscribe to BTech 360, because we're creating a lot of content to help students decide for themselves. And this series of JOSA counseling and the BTech counseling that is happening there is presented by Amity University, which is one of the leading universities in the top 3% globally based on the World Universities rankings also. Now moving on to the CSAP counseling. I told you earlier that we already covered the IIITs. We already covered the CSE and allied branches. Now what we're going to cover is the other branches which are beyond the CSE and allied branches. There are 1,297 seats which are in the core branches in IIITs that will be filled in through the CSAP, which is Central Seat Allocation Board. The total seats, by the way, in IIITs that are still vacant, which will be filled in through CSAP, is 3,628. So the difference between these two is the CSE and allied branches, which is about 2,300 plus numbers. So 2,300 in CSE and allied branches, 1,297 in the core engineering branches, of which EC is 998, EEE is 13, mechanical is 215, and other branches are about 71, all put together adding up to 1,297 in IIIT for core engineering branches. Now we'll go college by college and talk to you about the branches that are available. In IIIT Senapati Manipur, BTech EC with specialization in VLSI and embedded system, you have 78 seats still not filled in, and will be filled in through the CSAP counseling only. Then you again have IIIT Senapati Manipur, BTech EC, 74 seats are not filled in. IIIT Bhopal, BTech EC, 65 seats. IIIT Bhagalpur, 63. We are talking of only EC now. IIIT Dharwad, 54 seats. IIIT Vadodara, 51 seats. IIIT Ranchi, BTech EC, 43 seats. And remember, this is all India, and all it will work for you is the All India Common Rank List. Of course, the category reservations still apply. It's just that only the common rank list will be worked on, and then they start working downwards. IIIT Nagpur, 40 seats. IIIT Pune for 39 seats, and IIIT Kalyani, 36 seats. Moving further, IIIT Surat, BTech ECE, 35 seats. IIIT Guwahati, BTech Electronics, Communication and AI is 35 seats. IIIT Trichy, 35 seats. IIIT DM Kanchipuram, BTech ECE, 32 seats. IIIT Una, 30. IIIT Vadodara, DE Campus, 29. IIIT Kota, BTech ECE, 27. IIIT Pune, BTech Microelectronics and VLSI Design, 26. IIIT Guwahati, ECE, 26. IIIT Nagpur, BTech ECE, Internet of Things, 25. IIIT DM Jabalpur, BTech ECE, 24. IIIT Trichy, 23 for ECE and design, VLSI Design. IIIT Kottayam, BTech ECE, 22. IIIT Sri City, BTech ECE, 21. IIIT Allahabad, BTech ECE, 20. And IIIT DM Kurnool, BTech ECE with specialization in design and manufacturing, 19. IIIT Ranchi, BTech Honors ECE with specialization in embedded systems and Internet of Things, 11. IIIT Allahabad, BTech MTech dual degree, ECE, 5. IIIT DM, BTech MTech dual degree, BTech in ECE and MTech in communication systems, 4. IIT-DM Kurnool, BTech MTech dual degree ECE 3. IIT-DM BTech MTech dual degree with BTech in ECE and MTech in microelectronics and VLSI systems is 3. Those are the number of seats that we saw in ECE and IIIT. Now we'll talk of IIIT mechanical branch only. I remember there are 3,628 seats that are vacant in IIIT which have to be filled in, of which mechanical is 215 seats still vacant which will be filled in through this CSAP counseling. Of this, IIIT Bhagalpur has BTech Mechatronics and Automation Engineering 50 seats. IIIT-DM Kanchipuram BTech Mechanical 34 seats. IIIT-DM Kurnool BTech Mechanical Engineering with specialization in design and manufacturing 32 seats. IIIT-DM Jabalpur BTech Smart Manufacturing 27 seats. IIIT-DM Jabalpur BTech Mechanical Engineering is 20 seats. IIIT-DM Kanchipuram BTech Smart Manufacturing is 19 seats. IIIT-DM Kanchipuram BTech and MTech MS dual degree Mechanical Engineering and MTech in AI and Robotics is 14 seats. IIIT-DM Kanchipuram BTech Design Engineering is 13 seats, and IIIT-DM Kurnool BTech and MTech dual degree in Mechanical is 6 seats. Then we move to the ECE branch. There are 13 seats that are available, and all of them are in IIIT-DM Gwalior. We have 13 seats in the All India quota. Then we have CSAP vacant seats in other branches. There are about 71 of them, remember that. And what are the 71? Let's explore that also. IIIT Bhopal has BTech Physics and Computational Engineering at 37 seats. IIIT Vadodara BTech Applied and Computational Physics is 32 seats. And IIIT Kanchipuram has Engineering Physics as 2 seats. So that is what you have in IIITs, the number of seats you've already seen that. And we already covered CS and allied branches. And now we covered all the core engineering, including mechanical, EEE, ECE, and other issues, branches also. This is what you have in CSAP counseling. It's very important for you to go through CSAP counseling also, even if you've got an allocation in JOSA, because there's a great possibility of an upgrade in a college of your choice or in a branch of your choice. So don't miss out this opportunity. Participate in CSAP and go through the entire journey. And still, if you want to explore other options beyond the JOSA and CSAP counseling, which is private universities in the country, or the foreign universities which are setting up campus in India, then send us a message on this number 8130-376334. 8130-376334. Send us a message if apply if you want to get into any private colleges, and if you want to get into the foreign campus in India, send us a message foreign and we'll have one of the counselors call you up. Do subscribe to BTech 360 because we're creating a lot of content to help students decide for themselves. And this entire series is presented by Amity University, one of India's leading universities, and also ranked in the top 3% globally based on the World Universities rankings. I hope this helps you. If you want me to cover anything else, please write to me in the message box here. I'll be happy to cover that for you. Thank you so much, Namaste.